Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable and disable the watermark in the camera on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So to do this, first we need to open the camera. Now go to the top left corner and tap on the setting icon. And now over here we will find the watermark. We can simply enable and disable the watermark if we want to by tapping on the slider on the right side. You can also tap on the option itself in order to customize the watermark. So you can change the model name that by default it is displayed over here in the top left corner. You can change the date, and you can also enable and disable these information. Over here we can see the formats for dates and for time as well. So we have lots of customization options. Now, in addition to that, if you swipe down, you'll also be able to change the font. We have 3 to choose from. And we also have the alignment, so we can stick it to the left side, the middle, or to the right side, as well as to the top or to the bottom. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.